CAD, CAM, or computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that utilizes computer software to design and manufacture products. This technology allows for precise and efficient production, as it eliminates the need for manual drafting and machining. CAD software is used to create 2D or 3D models of the product, which can then be modified and refined before being sent to the CAM software. CAM software then uses the design to generate instructions for the manufacturing equipment, such as CNC machines, to produce the final product. This process allows for greater accuracy, faster production times, and reduced costs. CAD/CAM is used in a variety of industries, including automotive, aerospace, and medical device manufacturing. In the automotive industry, CAD/CAM is used to design and manufacture parts such as engine components and body panels. In aerospace, it is used to design and manufacture aircraft parts and components. In medical device manufacturing, CAD/CAM is used to design and manufacture prosthetics, dental implants, and other medical devices. Berkness Company, a manufacturing company based in Minnesota, offers CAD/CAM services to its clients. With over 60 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and technology to provide high-quality CAD/CAM services to its clients. The company specializes in custom metal fabrication, and its CAD/CAM services allow for precise and efficient production of metal parts and components. Clients can visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website to learn more about the company's CAD/CAM services and how they can benefit their manufacturing needs. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, Berkness Company is a trusted partner for businesses in need of CAD/CAM services. FAQs. 1. What is CAD/CAM and how does it work in manufacturing? CAD/CAM stands for Computer-Aided Design and Computer-Aided Manufacturing. It is a software technology that allows manufacturers to design and create products using computer systems. CAD software is used to create 2D or 3D models of products, while CAM software is used to control machines and tools to manufacture those products. CAD/CAM technology helps manufacturers to streamline their design and production processes, reduce errors, and improve efficiency. 2. What are the benefits of using CAD/CAM in manufacturing? There are several benefits of using CAD/CAM technology in manufacturing. Firstly, it allows manufacturers to create more complex and precise designs, which can be difficult or impossible to achieve using traditional methods. Secondly, it helps to reduce the time and cost of product development by allowing designers and engineers to test and refine their designs before they are manufactured. Finally, it improves the accuracy and consistency of manufacturing processes, resulting in higher quality products and fewer defects. 3. What are some common applications of CAD/CAM in manufacturing? CAD/CAM technology is used in a wide range of manufacturing industries, including aerospace, automotive, electronics, and medical devices. Some common applications of CAD/CAM include designing and manufacturing parts for machines, creating molds for injection molding, and producing prototypes for testing and validation. It is also used in the production of consumer goods such as furniture, toys, and jewelry.